Improper and irregular. That's how the Integrity Commission has described the actions of a member of parliament who engaged in nepotism by influencing the award of a contract to a company owned by his son.
The actions of the government MP for North West St. Elizabeth, J.C. Hutchinson, was part of the focus of a report tabled in Parliament. Andrea Chisholm reports.
The Integrity Commission argues that J.C. Hutchinson directly or seemingly recommended that the St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation award a contract to ProStar Electrical and Construction. The company was to supply electrical material and install them at the Lacovia Training Center and the Lacovia Community Center. The centers are located in Mr. Hutchinson's constituency, Northwest St. Elizabeth. But it turns out that Jason Hutchinson, the son of the MP, is the owner of ProStar. Between March and August 2018, ProStar got over $713,000. The report indicated that J.C. Hutchinson deliberately attempted to divorce himself from the process of awarding the contract to ProStar, arguing that the coordinator of the Constituency Development Fund CDF in his constituency acted without his knowledge. However, a senior CDF official said that comment was misleading, as it's not in keeping with the process of executing CDF projects. The Integrity Commission concludes that the contract to ProStar was a conflict of interest, given that his son owned the entity. Therefore, J.C. Hutchinson's actions were improper and irregular, given his role as a public servant. The Integrity Commission is recommending that MPs do not recommend friends or family members for contracts without disclosing the nature of the relationship. If it is disclosed, government agencies should conduct an independent and objective due diligence exercise. The Commission is also recommending that MPs do not operate constituency offices within community centers or similar spaces. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.